they like happy ending or extra something,
Mm-hmm.
why not?
Okay. So they like it. Hit the like button, guys, before I let her stand up first. Because
Yes.
that's what she said. Hit the like button and before she stand up. She got that sexy, sexy body. She she's tall, my God. So some of the foreigner likes to have a happy ending, right?
Yes.
Are you good in massage?
Of course, I'm good in massage and many ways in massage. Sometimes they like hard massage or
Mm-hmm.
soft massage.
Who, who did who teach you how to massage? Like, do you need to go to school for that?
No,
No.
I'm just only watching and then trying. That's why I'm working walking street and offering massage.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, if they like some extra job, of course, I give it.